Hello students, today our session is on Office automation tools, getting into Word, XP, saving and editing the documents for BSc 5th Sem session 3. See, getting into Microsoft Word XP, creating a new document and editing the document and also saving the document. See, the learning objectives are getting into Microsoft Word, create a new document, edit the document. See, we will create this Word document by clicking on the Start menu on the Windows, select the Program option, then click on Microsoft Word. On File menu, click New, click the General tab and then double click, you will go get a blank document. Now students, we will see all these things by creating it practically. So first we will go to Start button and right here is a W, that is Microsoft Word window will open. See, this is the Microsoft Word window and here document 1 is there. This is the name of this file name. If you want to write anything here, see, this is the something I have written here. If you want to save this one, click on this button and click on the save button, then it will ask the file name and give this file name as a document11, then save. So my file name is document11. So we have saved the clicking on this button also, and we have to click with the help of keyboard by typing the Ctrl S. If you want to open an existing file, then you have to click here and print open. Automatically we will go to the existing files or a recent files, whichever file you want to, you have to click on that and that existing file will be open. Next, for editing the documents, we have to select these documents with the help of mouse or otherwise with the help of keyboard, and I have make as a font size as 22 and then I select all those things once again and I will cut this one and I will paste this one, and next I will copy the same things in the below side. So this is paste. So cut, copy and paste are also called as the word editing. If you want to redo and undo actions, then you have to click here, this button. If you want to previous, then you have to click on this. And this is the font. It will change the font and it is the size of the font, and a shortcut key is there for Ctrl Shift plus P. Ctrl plus Shift plus P. And if you want to make the bold, this one, click on the bold, and if you want to make this line as a italic, then click on the italic, then underline it, and after then these are the subscript for doing some of the mathematical calculations, and we are using the mouse, and as well as for pasting we can use this icon also. Next, if you want to do the alignment of this, then you have to make the alignment in center, left and right and in correct way also. And here you can change the text color also. For selecting this, all this text, we have to change the color of the text. And this is for different colors will come. So this is for coloring the text. Next is, this is the different normal styles, and this is for heading and heading 2 and the title. Like this, number of options are there or styles are there. And then for this, next you have to, if you want to change the styles of the font, then you have to select with the help of mouse or as well as with the help of a keyboard. You can click that one and change the Arial or Arial black, Arial narrow, anything you want. You have to select this one and this one for the size, and these all will be about the changes of font. So here the keys also there, Control X, copy and paste is there. If you click on this, then also it will cut. If you click on the paste, then it will comes. Otherwise you have select this one and click as the right button of the mouse and click on the cut, and then once again paste, it will appear. So all about the this one for the editing of the text. Next, if you want to, this is called as the bullets. When you will select this one, you have to take any one for document bullets, or you have to take as a right mark, then whatever you will write, it will comes. On the, it will display on the screen. The bullets will be displayed, whether you have to take the different styles or different styles are there, and if you want to number, then you have to take the number. And this is for the multi-level list. In this type also we have to be take. After selecting this one, if you select this one, it will comes like this. So these are the different things are present on the Microsoft Word. We are open the document, close the document, edit the document. For closing the document, we have to click here and we have to click on this button. After then the Word will be closed. So all about this, the saving and opening and the editing of the Microsoft Word. I hope you will understood this session. Thank you.